Okay, so let's do this first one, number 3. We have 3 different sizes. We have medium, large, and extra large. And we have long sleeve or short sleeve. So let's make a tree diagram for that. So we have, out of the medium, we could have a long sleeve, and we could have a short sleeve. Long sleeve, short sleeve. Long sleeve, short sleeve. And now you're done with your tree diagram. Pretty easy, right? So that's what you're going to be doing for number 4 and 6. You're going to put it on the right side right here. For number 7, this is where we just do the calculations. Event A, there are 2 ways of doing that. Event B, there are 4 ways of doing that. This is kind of like your hamburger, your drink, okay? So we have 2 ways, and event B, we have 4 ways. 2 times 4 equals 8. That's how you're going to do numbers 8 and 10. Any questions on that? Okay. Number 11. Number 11 says there are 4 letters followed by 3 digits. Okay, so it got a little complicated. 4 letters. So 4 spaces. Each of those spaces can have how many letters? How many letters are there in the alphabet? 26. So the first letter could be the first letter has 26 options. The second letter has 26 options. Third letter, fourth letter has 26 options. And then it's followed by 3 digits. How many digits are there? 10. 0 through 9, right? So each of these spaces could have 10 different options. So you multiply all this together. So get your calculators and multiply them all together. And you're going to get a huge number. 456,976,000. Pretty big, right? Okay, now part B says, what if you can't repeat? If you picked an A, you can't use an A again. If you picked a 7, you can't use a 7 again. Okay? What if you cannot repeat? So part B, there are 26 letters, but in the second spot, how many letters are possible? 25. Why? Because one of the letters is gone. So if in my first spot, if I picked T, I can't have T in my second spot. Does that make sense? And if I picked T-O, I can't have T-O in my third spot. Make sense? Alright. So 26 times 25 times 24 times 23, that'll be 4 letters. Times, there are 10 different digits, but if you use one, now there's only 9. If you use one, now there's only 8. So 10 times 9 times 8. 2, 5, 8, 3, 3, 6, 0, 0, 0. So there are 258 million different options. Okay? That's what you're doing for numbers 12, 14, and 16. Okay? Part A, Part B. Part A, you can repeat letters, you can repeat numbers. Part B, you can't repeat. Got it? Numbers 18 through 28. How do you do that? Factorials. Now factorial means that number times countdown. So 11 factorial means 11 times 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Okay? Factorial means count down and multiply all those numbers. Okay? So in this case, you're going to do 11 times 10 times okay? And you get a huge number, 399,168,00. Any questions? And here's a challenge question for you guys. Number 28 is a challenge question. There's a similar question like that on here, 29. Okay? So 29, we have 9 factorial over 4 factorial times 4 factorial. Okay, so 9 factorial over 4 factorial. So let's write that all out. I wrote it out for you. 9 all the way down to 1. 4 all the way down to 1. And 4 all the way down to 1. But check this out. All this cancels out. And then 4 times 8, sorry, 4 times 2 is 8, so that cancels out. So all you really have to do is 9 times 7 times 6 times 5 divided by 3. But if you want to reduce this, you can reduce that too. That reduces to a 3. So 21 times 30, 630. Somebody help me out. 630? Okay. Any questions?